Hello guys, the second episode of this new series where we are taking queries from students and answering to them. So usual questions which is like important to everyone, which can be a generic one, that is what will be discussed here. You will be getting the reply in WhatsApp also, but just because we don't want to spend time with other students as well typing the same thing, we are making this. Okay, so this first and most important thing, a regular thing which we get is I am a beginner. Okay, so that is totally fine. We understand there are students who have no idea about UPSC and all, but first thing I will tell you is that everything is available in Google. Okay, anything you want to know about anything in this planet, you can simply spend 24 hours and you will get everything out of that. Okay, what I know, that same knowledge you will also have in 24 hours. Okay, but problem with students is they are not ready to do that. They are so much used to this Telegram group concept, WhatsApp group concept, or this free kind of things where someone will spoon feed you. That is why you are not able to do something by yourself. But this exam is not like your other exams where you are going to get a simply 9 to 5 kind of job. You are going to influence others. Okay, so if you cannot do basic things yourself, that means you are not even ready to be giving this exam. Okay, so we'll tell you like what we do for you. Like first thing, I am a beginner. That is why whenever you come and tell me like I am preparing for 2021 or 22, or I am in my school now, I am in college now, I have this dream of UPSC, I first thing which I give is this set of 10-11 video link. Okay, I give you this in WhatsApp first day itself. But what happens is students don't even bother to click on any one of this, and immediately instead of telling thank you, I will get back or something, the first thing they tell is, sir, what about polity lectures? What about spectrum lectures? You heard some, even though you are a beginner, you know all these nonsense. Like there is something called spectrum, there is something called Lakshmikant, but you don't know how to start this exam. You don't know what is the eligibility. You don't know what to make notes, how many months of current affair to do, or why is people failing again and again? Why this much failure percentage happens every year? Okay, like which are the books needed for mains separately, prelims separately? You don't know any of this. That is why when I tell you to watch these videos, blindly believe us and then listen to these videos. Okay, because this is a YouTube channel you are contacting, so obviously video watching has to be in your interest. Okay, there are some students I know, they'll come and ask me, and the first thing they'll tell is, sir, video watching will take lengthy time, it will waste my time, just tell me here in WhatsApp. You don't, this WhatsApp number is not given to you to sit and chat with you whole day. Okay, based on your random queries. This is a streamlined process. Okay, a disciplined thing which I can make it a paid course. Okay, like every institute is doing, they will have a foundation course which they'll charge you 20,000, 30,000 rupees, and they will teach you the same things only. What are the books to buy, how to concentrate, what time to wake up. All these things I'm putting for free. So when I tell watch this, I want you to watch it end to end without skipping. Because if I know what questions you will ask. I have been dealing with students since more than 4 years now. I know what you will ask. So everything you ask is answered in one or the other videos. So after you watch all these 11, 12 videos, then you come and ask me, then I will tell you, okay, if you have the books, start studying. If you want to join a discipline test series, I'll give you the test series link. So it's a streamlined process. And once you watch this, after 5 days, 10 days, don't again come and tell like, sir, I am a beginner, please help me, please understand my situation. After you watch this, you are no longer a beginner. Because out of this 8 lakh, 10 lakh people who are preparing, they have no clue of all these things. Okay, they don't know what is economic survey, they don't know what is Rajya Sabha TV, they don't know like Hindu newspaper or Indian Express which is better, they don't know nothing. Okay, so when you do this, you are much ahead. You are almost in the top 50,000 members already who are applying for this exam. Now you have to just get into that top 9,000. That is where my test series and other things will help you. So it's a step-by-step process, and so stop crying this thing like I am a beginner. Okay, whoever finds it rude can stop watching this video, because we have always been honest and we tell to the point. Okay, so this is how it should be. And these video links is given to you also, and under every video. Okay, like even this video which you are watching, in the description box this will be there. I have taken screenshot from my description of yesterday's video only. Okay, every video has this in the description link, so you don't even have to ask me. Just take 10 minutes to explore this channel. Go to video section, go to playlist section, go to community section. In less than 2 hours, 3 hours, you will be completely ready for this exam. Okay, so please see that and do the thing so that you come out of this false thing like I am a beginner. Okay, get ready to be an influencer instead of this beginner thing. Now, do Vysh give notes? Okay, so this is a valid question and we answer it. So first thing we tell is no, a blind no we tell. And then you will ask, what do we give? So we will give you the test series link. So immediately people again ask like, sir, give me notes. When we don't have notes, we obviously cannot give you notes. And also what you should know is, we give test series which is not the online portal or this graphics color presentation or animations which other institutes are doing. We give you proper PDFs. Okay, proper PDFs we give you, where question PDF is there and answer PDF is there, and every test will have 100 MCQs. Okay, with explanations, detailed one. And this one is like a notes only, like a question will be there, for option will be there, answer key will be there. After that, explanation is the notes. So our test series is the notes plus the question solving skill. Okay, what other institutes are doing is they give a notes thing separately and they give a test separately. So it's double business for them. So we don't have that concept. We have made prelims studying into one single MCQ magazine concept, and that is what we call test series. So this is for beginners so that they know it, and next time onwards they avoid this question. Okay, that is why this video playlist is being made. Next time when somebody asks me, I'm going to simply give this link, sit and watch it. Please don't again ask me. Okay. So this is how the notes concept is there. There is no separate notes or something. Then the things which you see, this charts and something which we give. Okay, there is a revision chart. There is something called snippet card. This is part of the test series pack itself. Okay, so everybody who is enrolling, like suppose 2020 student, in your package which we are giving, it has 63 tests, that is 6300 MCQ. It has 200 revision charts and it has 50 snippet cards. So it's a one-time buy. Okay, and it will be given in a disciplined format for 1 year. And for 2021 students, it is again expanded to 75 tests, that is 7500 MCQ, 250 revision charts and 60 snippet cards. Okay, so every year this is what we announce, and this is what the only thing we sell. Okay, when it comes to mains, there will be again a question PDF, an answer PDF, but only extra thing is there here evaluation is also there, meaning you will write it and submit to me. So I will give you the evaluation also, and then the model answer PDF will be given after you take the test. Okay, so the mains test 2020 is closed, 20 is closed, 21 is also closed now, 2 batches, and their test series starts on October 3. Okay, so we'll see if any changes there in that. I'll inform my students, because now of the 2020 things we are busy with, we'll tell you if there is any change. But as of now, it is planned for October 3. Okay, both the batches. So that will have evaluation and this thing, but that also is PDF format. So this is how the Vysh material concept is. Okay. Now, are these tests enough? These are the questions which we always tell, please don't ask it. Okay, that is where we understand that you lack common sense. There is nothing in this planet which will be enough for anything. Okay, like if you come and ask me, shall I do only 60 tests? Will I clear? I don't know the answer. If I do only 10,000 MCQ, will I clear? We don't know. Suppose the 10,000th one MCQ which you thought I will skip it, maybe that is the question which will come for exam. So this is not about this number game or any particular brand which will give you sure shot clearance. Okay, only thing is syllabus, previous year paper, and one good test series, and that is your choice. Even like we are doing our sale and our advertisements and all, you can go and see the sample and decide. Same like that, other institutes go and check and decide which one to do. So these 3 things, in whichever count you do, so that at a level will come where you will be able to solve any kind of question which comes in exam. That is when it becomes enough. There is no other definition of enough here. Okay, enough, all, only. Okay, please don't ask these kind of things. I am doing only your test series, will I clear? I don't know that. I cannot promise you. If some institute is promising you that, they are the biggest looters in this industry. Okay, there are many undeserving, unworthy kind of academies here which is doing this business mafia here in education. Okay, they have no connection with the UPSC model itself, but they are selling their course after course. Okay, so it's up to you to decide which is actually suiting you, and that is your personal choice, and nobody can force it upon you. So don't come and ask these things like, is it enough? Okay, like RS Sharma, Satish, Chandra, we are giving 200 MCQs per textbook. Okay, NCERT there is 200 MCQ for 6th standard. For 12th standard there is 200 MCQ. So my students, one person came and asked like 200 MCQ, is it enough? How will we know that is enough? 200 MCQs we made and gave it to you, covering almost every aspect. It doesn't mean that UPSC cannot make a new question from that textbook. Okay, anybody can make any number of MCQs from any textbook. So when we do something, try to understand the crux of it and the concept of it. Okay. Now the last question for today, which institute magazine should I do? You are coming and asking one institute about another institute. What reply are you expecting for that? Okay, like we have our current affairs, which we are designing so that it suits UPSC. We have our subject-wise test series. We have our mains test series. And you are coming and asking me, should I do some PT 365? Should I do some Delhi material? Should I do this thing? What answer you are you expecting? That too, will you go and ask these institutes about Vysh materials? You will not ask, right? So when you are contacting, just because it's a YouTube channel, just because you have not heard about it, just because the viewer count as of now is lesser in this video, in this YouTube channel, that doesn't mean this is something lesser or something unworthy that you can ask anything which is stupidity. Okay, things are designed for your thing, and if you like the materials, you buy that. But is other things good? We will not be able to comment on it. One reputed institute or one who is ethically running such a thing will not comment about other. We will not tell bad about them. We will not tell good about them. Okay, so we cannot suggest you. So please don't ask these kind of questions which we will have to tell a very sarcastic reply, and then you tell that we are rude. Okay, there's a difference between being honest and being rude. Okay, we are telling you to the point. If something is no, that is no. Like Spectrum slides. Okay, Spectrum PPT, at least 10,000 requests I would have got in the last 2 years. But I have not given to even single person because we don't have plan to give it out as of now. Okay, if it is there, we will publish it in the online YouTube itself and tell, come and buy this. Okay, if it's a paid course or a free course. But as of now, it is not there. We will tell no. Immediately, first it will be very polite. Okay, they'll tell, sir, I am a great fan of your Spectrum. You are doing amazing job. This thing. Can I have the PPT? My answer will be no. Immediately, their tone changes. Like, have some empathy towards student. Like, what kind of person are you? You are not helping students. Like, we are coming and asking you something for help and you are doing this thing. I can even pay for you. Okay, we are not like other institutes where you offer money and we will be giving to you. Okay, we have been offered to collaborate with the biggest of biggest unworthy academies. We did not go there. Okay, because their agenda was different and our teaching style is different. So when you tell something or when you do something, use the correct words. Okay, because every time the institutes will not be sitting there to do sweet talks with you. There are institutes which we know, every time whatever stupidity you ask, they'll tell, dear students, we will look into it, we will do that, we will do that, because ultimately they want you to go and click on their website or enroll or do something. Okay, so it's in the money making agenda. So see to it that you don't ask unwanted questions to any institute, not only Vysh IAS. Okay, ask something about them, not about others. Okay, so this is the fourth question for today, and hope you have been seeing this series which reached day 3 now, and it will go for next 30 days, and hope this is improving your score. You can give the feedback in the comment section so that any changes we need to make in the series we can make, because when it nears the prelims, then ultimately we cannot do any hard and fast change. Okay, we can change only in the beginning phase. So I'll come up with the next video soon. Till then, enjoy learning. Thank you and have a nice day.